Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Nissan Rogue? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The sharp, high-resolution central display that integrates navigation, media, and vehicle settings. It offers intuitive touchscreen controls with customizable widgets for a seamless user experience. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster displays speed, RPM, and drive mode info. It is fully customizable and integrates with the Google-based infotainment system on higher trims. The features include an electronic toggle-style gear shifter with a button for reverse or drive. A separate P button on top engages the parking mode for convenience. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The climate control offers dual-zone automatic temperature settings for personalized comfort. It features intuitive touch and physical controls for easy adjustments. It is powered by a 1.5-liter VC turbo inline, 3-engine producing 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. Its variable compression system balances performance with fuel efficiency. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, automatic brake hold system indicator, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, hands-off warning light, rear automatic braking system warning light, hill descent control system on indicator, seatbelt reminder indicator, low fuel indicator, high temperature indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator, supplemental restraint system indicator, electric power steering system indicator, vehicle stability assist system indicator, vehicle stability assist off indicator, low tire pressure or TPMS indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, fog light indicator, front passenger airbag status light, automatic transmission check warning light, automatic emergency braking warning light, engine oil pressure warning light, electric shift control system warning light, master warning light, security indicator light, system message indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.